Today I'm going to show you how to turn images to 3D carousel using DepthLoop. We'll come down to app, we'll type DepthLoop. DepthLoop. We'll open the file. This is DepthLoop. It has many motion styles. You see magazine, you see radial, spiral, vertical tower, spring, magazine, circle, flip stack, ring, timeline, carousel. We are going to use the circle. We are going to use the circle. Then it's also give you permission to upload image, use your design style, paraloid, neon, border. Also give you an option to set the ratio of the image. Also an animation option, the speed, the direction you want it to go, and the zoom, how you want to zoom it. So we'll now go to photos. Let me just use these 8 images. I'll upload it. I'll upload it now. Look at it. Now, if I want to change the background, I'll come here, just use this and walk around the background. But I'll leave it like this. Closer view like this. I'll go out. The zoom is okay like this. So that's all. I'll just click add to design and it will load. It's loading. This is our design. I'll bring it here, then expand it, bring it here. Let's preview it. And that's our final design.